Hi! Welcome to BookBox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get our latest videos.
Cricket at the Zoo by BookBox. Arvi hears a strange buzz as he is walking through the zoo. He looks up curiously and sees a group of monkeys listening to the radio. Unable to hide his surprise, he walks up to them and asks,
"Are you really listening to cricket?" "Of course, you silly ape. Don't you know all animals love cricket?"
chatter the monkeys. Excitedly, Arvi throws his ball high up into the air. An elephant catches it.
"We will make a big score and take many wickets. Sri Lanka will win,"
trumpets the elephant. A royal Bengal tiger leaps across a fence and snatches the ball from the elephant. He whacks the ball with his paw and sends it flying high up into the sky.
"No way! We will beat everyone with our batting might. India will win,"
growls the tiger. The lions swiftly build a pyramid and catch the ball.
"No one can match our teamwork. England will win,"
roar the lions. Just then, a flock of kiwis burrow underneath the lion's paws, and the lion pyramid collapses.
"Don't underestimate our strategy. New Zealand will win,"
tweet the kiwis. Then the mountain goats skip in.
"Let's see who can handle the spin and speed of our bowlers. We will take all the wickets and the cup. Pakistan will win,"
bleat the goats.
"No, the cup is ours. We will steal quick runs and sprint away with the cup. South Africa will win,"
cheer the deer. All the commotion wakes up the kangaroos.
"For us, it's a simple hop, skip, and jump to the cup. Australia will win, mates,"
chortle the kangaroos. The animals all close in on Arvi.
"So which team are you supporting? Who do you think will win, Arvi?"
demand the animals. But before Arvi can make up his mind,
"Wake up, Arvi! Wake up! We have a surprise for you."
Arvi yawns and wakes up to find his parents smiling at him. And then he hears them say the magical words.
"Arvi, we have tickets to see the finals of the Cricket World Cup. So which team do you think will win?"
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.